Hello everyone. In the last period, we studied invitation card and notice. Notice on the notice board. Okay, we studied that. Today, we shall see telephone conversation and message which is passed to the parents by the students. We shall see this today. Teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Some special invitees. Teachers made a phone call. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation. A receptionist. Who's talking? Receptionist. Hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher. Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Yes, here teacher is talking to whom? To the receptionist of Girgaon Times. What is Girgaon Times? It is the name of that newspaper, local newspaper which is there. And here teacher wants to speak to whom? Mr. Shashank. Receptionist, just a second. Teacher, thank you. News editor. Hello, Mr. Ajinkya. Shashank speaking. How are you? Now who is speaking here? Mr. Ajinkya. How are you? Teacher. Fine. How are you? Teacher is saying fine. How are you? News editor. Fine. Teacher. Teacher is speaking now. Yes. What does teacher says to Mr. Shashank? Who is Mr. Shashank? Mr. Shashank is editor of Girgaon Times, and teacher has called him to invite Mr. Shashank. Where? Where to invite? To the program Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands, which would be arranged or held in their school. Teacher, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social project, social work project. The inauguration is on coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. We are sending you. Where is social work project inauguration? Where is the inauguration of social work project? On coming Sunday. And that's why here Mr. Shashank is invited by teacher or by that school on that inauguration function. What is the function? Inauguration. Which function was it? It was the function of Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. News editor, I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. In our school, we are going to start this project, and its purpose is that students should understand their social responsibilities. Social responsibilities. Yes, what they should do in the society for the poor people, for the neighbor, for the friends, yes, for the people who they don't know. And that's why they are arranging that program, and that's why Mr. Shashank, news editor, yes, he was invited. News editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. But as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? As you are saying, that function is very important. Actually, my Sunday is very busy. Okay, but you are saying that this program is very important. What is the time? You say this Sunday at 10 in the morning. When is the program? This Sunday, 10 in the morning. News editor, fine. I have made a note of it. And news editor is saying, yes, I have made a note of it. Teacher, thank you very much. And teacher says, thank you very much to that news editor. What was the name of that news editor? Mr. Shashank. What was the name of the teacher? Mr. Ajinkya Vishwas. Okay, remember this. Now let us see another page, next page. Students passed on the message to their parents. Here is a sample. Now students are telling at home. Okay, now here is one model or sample. Mommy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. The 9th. You are invited. On which day? 9th. 9th. Date is 9th. You are invited. 9th July. Who are invited telling? Mummy and daddy. What is the occasion? Yes, they are asking now. Parents are asking, what is the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. There is a function. Which function is there? Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. And it will start at 10 o'clock. Sharp 10 o'clock on Sunday. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. And who are invited for that program? Parents of 7th standard. As students from 7th standard and their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. Yes, parents asked, where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be and for how long time that program will go, or for how long time will it take for the program? About an hour, he said. An hour, 1 hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. Miss Naik is there and she is going to inaugurate that function. I see. And what's this project about? And what is the project about? Tell me. Oh, we are going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. When parents asked what was the project about, and here somebody is telling that we have to visit place to place. Yes, we have to work different places, and on Sunday they will explain how we have to work. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Then mommy asked her, you are going to participate in this program, in this activity? Yes, mommy. And here Samir is telling, yes, mommy, I am going to participate. Let's see, daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. Now mommy said, okay, let's see. I and daddy both cannot come, but one of us will come to that program, either mommy or father, daddy. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. Because Mr. Ajinkya, he has asked us to tell our parents specially. So here we have finished this lesson, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Okay, here are some activities we'll study next period, means English workshop. But I will give you today hard words of this lesson. You write them in your homework. Okay, meanings, synonyms and antonyms. Till then, bye bye.